It's all right.
So good morning to all of you. I want to say the topic about village life. Actually, we are doing the debate and we are supposing the town as a village life. So in village life, there is a very clean environment was there, and in village life we are enjoying very much. Like we can see also when we are going to the school, we have a type of chill what we are doing there, and when we are going to play with our friends, there is a many types of fields are there available free of course, but in the comparison to the cities, we are giving to the type of fees, like when we have to go any type of field or park, we have to give a fee like 10 rupees, 20 rupees, they are taking charge of it. But in villages we are going in the free only, and there are so many things in the villages, like villagers are doing their crops and selling to the cities. Because of the villages we are eating here also, and we talk about the education, that in cities also educations are very good, but comparison to the village, in villages also there are so many good education system are there, and we have seen in the UP also that Yogi Adityanath had started in the 10th or 12th board, when any children are getting first division in their studies, they are getting a type of laptop, money, this type of.
But in the empty state, there is not that facilities.
Yes.
The government is distributing all the things.
In
But
every state there is not this
corruption was
system.
there.
Like in every state there
Yes,
is not
but
this
I have
system.
told many things about listen. Benefits of the.
First of all, we don't need, nowadays people don't need only good environment or fresh air. Okay? People need employment.
There is a
They
movie.
want to work. They work and employment are very necessary in nowadays. Or secondly, we can see in village. We talk about grounds.
Most
in
of the person want to live in a town life. They want to live their town life. Most of the person who is living in a village, they also want to come in a town.
Many of the rich men are going to the villages to
Listen,
have
listen.
more type of beds.
You said in city, take if we visit a park or ground, people take 20 rupees or 50 rupees. We can see there is so many maintenance. We can see their grass are so maintained. They are very clean place. There are
All
many
the facilities they are taking money.
They're giving
They
facilities.
they giving
They're
facilities.
giving the discipline.
But they
They're
also
giving
think
guidance.
about that.
If we
If
see
any
in
village
village,
one by one only.
There is a CCTV cameras also. If there anything there is.
where in fields.
Yeah.
Very
Yeah.
I'm
see,
talking about in a mall, not a park. Park is not in a city.
It has.
No.
Has. Most of them. Not here because most of them have
and
the
if you talk
CCTV
about
cameras.
village, there are
safety.
so many grounds, and we don't need to give any money if we want to play in a ground and in a park. There is, you can see there is very dirty. There is very dirty, dirty things. Many types of dirty things.
Park can do this thing, but we can see that the many of the sportsmen, players, and like a celebrities, most of the celebrities want to live in a village life because they have a fresh air. And first to the
Why don't they
body
live?
check, body
So,
health. The
why
first we
don't they
want
live?
to proper air we need. Then the major most of the sports player and the cricket.
They wanna live in the village. Why don't they wanna? They living in village. Why are they not living in the village?
They mostly the time invest in a village life because they want to when the people they match come in the match of village. Firstly they go in a village life because they want to the proper air they want.
Because they have to play in a city or in a crowd. There is a very bad pollution or there is a bad air condition.
That is the condition of the city.
And the city people are doing this types of
Why?
things
They
like
have to play in a
doing
city,
factory
yeah.
in a village.
They
These are the
practice-
things not
they
village people
practice
are doing
there.
factory in a village.
but they have to play in city.
Also, they are making the factories in the village. Also, they are giving the work the person who lives around that factory.
But who
They are giving
polluted the
the work.
city, but who polluted the village. The village people not polluted our village, but the city people have polluted. Firstly, polluted their
Most
city,
of
and
the-
secondly, they polluted their
But
village
they are
also.
giving, they are also
But
giving.